Hello, welcome today. I wish you a very good energy today. Today, I want us to talk about Uche. There are some people that sometimes they say they've lost their mental faculty. Some of these things can be spiritual implications. They said sometimes in our dialect, they said maybe they want to do a rite for someone so that they can bring his memory back. Sometimes people who are lost in foreign lands, they do some kind of rites with a stem. I'll show you. They put it with other elements to draw somebody who is lost in a foreign land, who by all means people have tried, or his or her people have tried to bring them home so that they see them, and then maybe one forces or the other have kept them in the diaspora. So that is what I will tell you today. One herb and one vine. One is called Uche, which is retentive memory. Uche. So this very hard. When you notice someone is losing his mental orientation or coordination, what you do is you get that very herb and then place it. You don't consume it. You place it under the person's pillow as the person sleeps. In the villages, you find it almost close to the bushes. It's just because the rainy season just started setting in. So that's why you don't see the seed. It has seed. It has seed. It is called Ako Uche. This is a very powerful herb. And also there is a magical herb this herb does. If you hold this herb in your pocket and go to a witchcraft zone, places known for witchcraft attacks, like all these voodoo masquerade places, arena or events or carnival stuff like that, you understand? When you put this in your pocket, you are sure not to be hit with any magical attack. That's why in the olden days, most voodoo masquerade people that go to carnival, all those places they used to test their powers, most of them put this in the formulas they use for their own rights. Sometimes they just put this in their pocket if you are an individual, like they say ofeke, but onye maifa abulo ofeke. Who knows this herb is not ofeke. So when you put this herb in your pocket, you are sure that no magical attack will come near your home. Or if you get 7 of this and foam it, spread it in your compound, no type of witchcraft attack will come to that home. You put it in your pocket, you can go out to where there is witchcraft attacks or carnival, masquerade carnival that is kind of voodoo in nature. None of those attacks will get to you. Then, if someone is losing his mental coordination, which is common sense, you place this Uche. It's called Uche. It's also called Mado Awunezi. So this Uche is because is with wisdom you survive a day. Wisdom is of the Lord. So Mado Awunezi, which is the leaves, is also called Uche. This Uche leaf, when you place it under the person's pillow, someone, not a mental or a mad person, that one is use another ugili leaf, another herb for that. But this is someone you know that maybe he's using a mental coordination on a subtle level that is not wide noticed. You place this on that the person's pillow. For someone who they want to do traditional rites for based on Akonuche Kesemia in Igbo rites, it is not only this they put it with other elements and tie. So for the one I said, they add when someone who travels outside the country and refuses to come back home, they add it with this, but now they what they use is apale ntoba. Now, this apalintoba, there's one thing you need to learn about this apalintoba. One thing is, it does bringing people down, like apali will draw any type of tree down. Now, let me show you apali. This is apali. All these vines, intertwined vines, you see this? This is apali. This thing, as you are seeing it here, can draw down the biggest iroko tree, the biggest tree. You can see the sizes, there are big sizes of it. Okay, a little of this harvested and put with other formulas can draw anybody back from home. The same way you use it for that drawing back, that some people can use it for the evil intention, and then some people use it for the right intention, maybe someone who is lost in a foreign land. Now, this thing has two energies. That's why I say every herb or element you see, even the Bible you use, the Quran you read, every form of energy you use in spirituality has dual side. The dual side is you can use it to do good or evil. Like I said, this apali. This apali can be used to do that, and then it can be also used to cut cord. That's what we call cutting cord. When you want to cut cord from the past, ancestors and all stuff holding you, you add it with other element and use it to cut cord. This apali is also used. There are other things you use it for spiritual benefits, but for this very intention is this too. I want to let you know this is wisdom plant. Wisdom plant. It is called Ako no Uche. And if you want to use it for warding off witchcraft attack, it is called Madawunezi, which you put a leaf of it in your pocket. If you are going for any kind of carnival, you suspect that that can be too diabolic, kind of, you know, that there will be some kind of energy draining or energy attacks, you know, then you have to go with that in your pocket, not with this. So why I'm showing this apali is that in a subsequent video about cutting cord, you will see how you use it in a proper traditional cutting cord. So you stay blessed for more coming your way. I wish you a very good energy, and we are in nature. We are nature. Stay blessed for more coming your way.